Alright, David Harry here, and this is just going to be a really quick off-the-cuff test there of the iPad Pro 2020. So what it is, I've just got myself this little grip thing for it so I can pop it onto stands and quarter 20 mounts and stuff like that. So this is literally my first go at it. I'll do a video tomorrow or something about this clamp thing. Just a little cheap bit of plastic thing from Amazon, just to see if this kind of thing works properly. Now what it is, I'm on what it calls the wide lens or the wide camera on the back, not the ultra wide. The wide one is a bit faster, or its lens is faster, so it's worth me trying this out. Anyways, this is the internal app, and I'm probably going to be a bit orange, a bit colourful and stuff like that, but that's literally just down to white balance and stuff. All these things you can get around by going to a dedicated app and locking the likes of white balance, exposure. You can also do a ton of other things in there with other apps as well. But right now, the built-in app. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to flip over onto, because this is the internal mic, I'm going to flip over now onto my dedicated dialogue mic that I use. So I'm going to plug this in via USB straight into the iPad, and then I'm going to do something with the focus, which will absolutely freak you out. Okay, so this is the freakiest thing in the world, right? What it is, because I'm now on an external mic here, I'm now able to push the iPad further back, so it's more than arm's length away, as you can see. So that's going to give me a wider field of view and kind of get myself a better frame. But check this out. I'm actually monitoring myself on a 27-inch monitor. So what I'm doing here, I'm feeding it out to the HDMI output through one of the interfaces that I found. Actually, I've actually got it on two screens. Let me just show you. Right, so if I turn here, this is actually OBS, as you can see here. So that's the iPad, there's OBS. And then there's another monitor to the side there. So I'm getting like two feeds coming off the iPad. What it is, I've actually got it in at the moment through my typical recording setup for HDMI. So I've managed to find a cable, sorry, not a cable, but I've managed to find an adapter for it, which will do like 4K 60 and stuff. Let me just get the framing a bit better here. So I've managed to find a cable that does 4K 60. It allows me to plug an Ethernet cable into it as well through a separate adapter. I can also then just, well, as you can see here, I've got me Behringer plugged in and stuff like that through another cable. I can put this in direct and what have you and get a great mic on it and all this stuff, right? But check this out. I'm so happy I sent my ZV-1 back. Check this out for autofocus. Look at that. Look at that. Watch. Okay. Now, if I block my face, I'm just monitoring here. So as soon as it sees me face, it'll lock back to focus by the looks of it. I don't even know which monitor to choose here. But as soon as I block my face, look at that. Straight into this to this PlayStation remote here. Pull it down like that. Let me just see how close I can get with a something. Let me see if I've got a small remote or something. No, we are. Right, so let me see how close I can get with this. So there it is there like that. Okay, it's caught focus. Now I'll get closer. Is that focusing? It's trying to. I think it, oh, it has. Right there, hold on. Let's see. Oh, that's ridiculous. Look at that. Oh my. That's probably now too close to focus. Literally, I was about 2 inches away from it there. Now let's have a look, see what it focuses like on me. So that's me closer to it. I haven't had a shave, so my grey bits are going to be good for judging focus. Get a bit closer like that, okay. And hello, is there anybody in there? Right, so what it is, I'm actually lit by just like 2 daylight lights here as well, the same as what I would do on, well, on my usual Sony camera here. Now, what I'm going to do is just cut this short because this I just had to do and throw up. This is purely just an off-the-cuff thing here. But I'm going to be doing a ton more with this iPad. It's ridiculous. Can't believe how good these, like, you know, lenses are and like sensors and stuff on it. And this is the rear. It's at 24 4K at the moment. Obviously there's the ultra wide, then there's the front camera to play with. I'm going to do a ton of stuff with this and also do things of like how I've set this up for monitoring HDMI, getting the microphone in, various other things, keyboard, mice, let's see, Ethernet, all kinds of stuff. It's mental. Anyways, hopefully this has been interesting. Let me just try this again. Hold on. Sorry, I'm a big kid. Wait there. So if we get that there, And the closer that I get it in, sorry, my fingernails are dirty being out in the park, being an idiot. Oh, look at that. That is fantastic. And I pull it down, okay. Throw it up there. Oh, that's mad. Let me see if I get half in the frame. I wonder if it'll still stay on me. Yeah, it's staying on me. Look at that. Oh, that is mental. So if you want to go straight into the center and go, well, check this Sony PlayStation 4 remote that I've got. Then you pull it down like that, and then you go and pick up something else. Oh, look at, oh, I wonder if it'll do this. Look at this XLR. Oh, it's done it. Oh, no. Sort of. Anyways, yeah, it's something to play for. I'm just like a kid at Christmas. Leave it at that. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.